Okay guys, this is a 2017 Chevy Silverado Z71 LTZ. Rebuilt title, had a little bit of front end damage right here on this left front area. .3 liter V8, four-wheel drive. Bed liner, soft release tailgate, parking sensors, tow package. Black on black leather. I did order some black side steps that will be here in a couple days. Four-wheel drive. It's got 2 sets of keys and keyless entries with remote start. Start up here for you. So 41,000 miles on it. Heated seats, cruise control. Sorry, that was a heated steering wheel. That's heated seats. Foot adjustment, parking sensors. Backup camera. Wireless charging. I think it's got Wi-Fi on it too. This is 2017. No sunroof. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.